Good morning. Welcome to the K. Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 28th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, a high of 71, low of 50, cloudy, and 100% chance of rain. We are still unsure about breakfast, but today's lunch we will have pizza, corn, salad, milk, and juice. Today's birthdays: Aiden Hampton, Joseph Rodriguez, Winston Davidson, and Zane Williams. ACAP summative. Testing continues today. We know our 4th and 5th grade scholars have set some awesome goals for their ACAP scores, and we are cheering them on to do their very best. Today's late duty is Miss Zimlich. March 30th, 1st grade field trip. April 7th, 3rd quarter honor walk. And April 14th is Kona Ice and Spring Picnic. That's all for today's news. Have a great Tuesday, everyone.